way up there. They were real high. We started counting them. There were 54 of them. So that, they said, oh, that must be those guys, because we had picked up some guys, Air Force guys. They were supposed to have the pilots bring them in later. Just the enlisted men were. Oh, that's them guys. They're just now coming in. They probably circle here and land here, or either these other fields. So I went inside, got my chow and had my, I think it was milk. I sat down. Just when I started to sit down, we heard them bombs start going up. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody started out the door. Bread and bologna was flying everywhere. So I ran out, and sure enough, they were bombing Clarksville. We were just a little ways off. We lost every one of them. Even those B-10s, 17s, and fighter planes, it was just in smokes. It's almost like Pearl Harbor, the way, you know, they did to their ships. But our planes were all gone. So they start bugling, you know, to come in and back to your barracks or back to your company. So we all had to go back. And they told us, you know, the captain, that we're at war now, see, with Japan. See, we only had our rifles, but no live ammunition. We used to clean them all the time. That's what they told us. You better keep your rifle in good shape, because it'll take care of you, you know. So that's what I did. I used to clean it up and get it in good shape. Inspection, we passed. So we had to go to the supply room, and he said to pick up some ammunition. They weren't in boxes like they did. They were in like bandolier, what do you call them? They were made out of cloth, you know, camouflage cloth. You put them on. And then they gave us gas masks, tin helmets. So, boy, we hate to wear those tin helmets. They were heavy. So just then, those fighter planes came. Sure enough, they said that they might be paratroopers or somebody come in, you know. And here were the fighter planes. They were flying real low. You could see the Japs with the headband around them. Looked like they were laughing. You could see their teeth. You almost see their teeth. So we started shooting them, and I think that guys from Taos, they had a 50 caliber machine. They hit one. They knocked it close by. You know, it just went down. And then after that, someone said, "Those guys, what? Those Indian guys, what they doing? Maybe they're praying over the airplane." So they were standing around, you know. So they went up there, and what they were doing, there was a dead Jap in that they were peeing on it. And everybody just say, "You guys are pretty good shots."